Alrighty, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your very own web form, okay, that you can now use on your blog or your website. Okay, so if you've gone through the process, you should have set up your Aweber account, you should have set up your confirmation email, okay, that gets sent out when someone signs up. And then in the previous video I showed you how you could you set up that welcome email, okay, which is that first follow-up email, okay. So now that the base foundations are all there, the next thing we need to do is add a web form to your site, okay? So we can, start collecting email subscribers. So what we need to do here is, if you followed the wizard, the setup wizard through this process, it would have taken you to this page, okay? This is where you design your web form, okay? Super easy to do, okay? You can set these up in a matter, under a minute. Alright, so the first thing is your design. So you can have whatever fields you want on here, okay? You would have known earlier that I've said that I'm only collecting email addresses, okay? So if you are collecting first names, okay, just leave that as is like that, okay? And if you're collecting just emails, what you need to do is just cross that off, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and cross that off, okay? And we can change all this stuff later and I'll show you the process, but I'm just going to cross that off and I'm going to cross that off. Okay, so this is your web form here, okay? You can modify how this looks later on inside of WordPress, okay? But this is all you need, okay? From here, what you need to do is click go to step 2, and this is going to give us a name for our web form, okay? So let's just put main web form demo, okay? Just do whatever you want here, okay? Alrighty, and on here it's going to ask you for a thank you page. Alrighty, so I'd suggest using a custom page here, okay? So say after someone clicks onto that subscribe button, okay, you need to have this set up, okay? So this is what I'll give you a little preview. This is what it looks like. It's going to say activate your subscription, okay? So if you remember earlier, I've set up actually pages on the website here. So this is actually a page, okay, within WordPress. Okay, we can use this URL here, okay? So this is after someone's fully confirmed. Okay, I've also made another one. It's called You're Almost There. Alright, and this is what that looks like. Alrighty, so you need to create a page like this that you can use right here, okay? So after someone clicks that little subscribe button, okay, they're going to be sent to this page, okay, instead of this crappy looking page here, okay? So we can modify this. So what you want to do is make that page, okay? I'm going to give you all the wording that you can use underneath this video, okay? But this is the process. So we copy that link, we go back here, and we're going to go custom page, okay? And then I'm just going to copy that code straight into here. Alrighty, so that's that URL from this page. Alrighty, so from here, just leave that as is, okay? You can create an already subscribed page later on, okay, but we won't worry about that. Okay, so this is all you need to do for now. And then from here, go to step 3. Actually, we'll just go back. We'll save that form. Alrighty, and then you're going to come to this page here where it's actually going to ask you to install my own form, get your web designers to do it, or have Aweber host the form. Okay, so this is what you need to do. You need to come here and say I will install my form. Okay, you're going to click on that. Alright, and you want to come over here where it says raw HTML version. Okay, and this is the code here. All you need to do is just click that and it'll highlight the whole lot. Okay, and then you're going to copy that code. Alrighty, so you've now created your own form. Alright, and the next process is putting this onto your website. Alright, so what we're going to do in the coming videos is I'm going to show you how to set up those opt-in forms on your website, the best places to put them, and how you can put this code into practice in all those opt-in forms. Okay, so that's coming up in the next couple of videos.